Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can implement Spring Security in Spring Boot application. So we can see in step by step. So let's start. Currently we have not implement Spring Security in a Spring Boot application. So first required add dependency in pom.xml. So here one dependency we add Spring Security and click on the Maven reflection button, so it should be reflected dependency. Now we restart the application and check out in console it generated password or not. So here security password is generated, so here dependency is successfully integrated. Now our second step is create a configuration class. Web security and mark this class as a configuration and enable web security and enable method security. Now this class is created and our two step is required here. First step to configure user and second step request matcher for HTTP basic to authenticate URI. Now here I user detail add bin method user detail service here two user we can add admin and user. Admin for admin and user both role are exist, and only user and user password only user role is exist. And second step is URI request matcher need to authenticate. Here we can also configure specific URI does not require to authenticate, it is allowed without authentication, and specific request matcher URI must be authenticated. Here employee and employee after all the URI must be authenticated with credential of user or admin. So here second configuration is completed. So here what we do here, first create a one web security configuration classes and create user. Here we can add multiple or more than two or number of user, and second step is HTTP basic request matcher add here for authenticate. So currently we not add for permit or permit specific URI which is not authenticate. Here all the URI must be authenticate. Now we can restart the application and check out. Now application started. Here we can call the API. Now here 401 authorize exception throw. So basically it generate when our authentication is fail. So here need to authenticate with basic code and admin. Here wrong credential first, still have 401 exception. We add here right credential admin. Now see API generate successfully, and so here also change user say user role. Now it's generate API result. So this way we can add security in a Spring Boot application. This way we can add only in Spring Boot 3 plus version. Before that we extend Spring Security web security and override this method. So this way we can add in a Spring Boot 3 plus version. So this way we can add the security in Spring Boot application.